Hi and welcome to yet another episode of my Passive Income, the YouTube channel where you can follow me in my online investments. Today I'm going to talk about a trading platform that I came across and that I really like. It's called PrimeXBT. In this platform you can trade currencies, cryptocurrencies and other things. So follow me in this video and I will step through the platform for you. Okay, so I logged into the platform. As you can see here, I'm in the platform for in the back office for PrimeXBT, and as you can see, I'm on dashboard. I can do you can refer this to others as well. You can do reports and settings. But as you can see here, I'm on the main page, and here you can see that I have $53 US in my account, and you can do a deposit here. And when you do a deposit, you can send over Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, USDC, and CAV. And you can buy them directly if you don't have them in another digital wallet. If you have them in a digital wallet, you can just send it to this address here that you see. Or you will buy some Bitcoin or whatever, Ethereum as well, maybe. Yeah, buy it. And when you did, or when you have made a deposit, you can actually do margin trading. So if I click on margin trading, you can see here, you get up the platform here for trading. And at this point, you can see that I have only crypto. I will take all markets here, and it will show all available assets for you to trade. And you have cryptocurrencies, you have normal currencies, Forex currencies, you have some CFDs as well, you know, gold, indices and so on. And one thing about this platform, it's very easy to, you know, open a position. You just choose what you want to trade. So I can show you here that if I want to trade, let's see, I want to trade Bitcoin. I will click on Bitcoin here, and it will change to Bitcoin chart here, and you can just click here, sell or buy. And if you do that, let's say I think it will go up now, I will click on buy, and you can see here that you will have an amount here, how much you want to put in. You can also choose if you want to do a market order or limit or a stop order as well. And if you put in the amount here, you can see here below the margin impact on your account. So if I have 0.02, I will have a margin impact of, yeah, you can see it. I won't put up all the numbers. And let's see, I will put like, not 10 zeros, that's it. So I will put 0.200 here, and you can see the margin impact here. And I will do a buy, and then I click send order. If you want to put stop loss and take profit, you can check this box and you can put in that here by default, or when you put the order. But you can do that later as well. So if I click send order here and confirm it, you can see here it's open up my order here. And if you right click on this one, you can make modify position, and then you can put in stop loss and take profit here. So I will take a stop loss, let's see, I will take it at 44,200. Let's see, so if I do 44,200, and take profit, I will leave it as is. Then confirm, and now you can see I have a stop loss here over here. So it works, and it's quite easy to put open positions and close positions. If you want to close a position before it hits your stop loss or take profit, just right click it and close position. It's quite easy. So that's the margin trading. Easy to use. Yeah, and you have like 70 different assets you can trade. So I will go over to the contests here now. I will go to the copy trading yield after. And if you go on contests, every now and then they have a contest. As you can see here, ongoing. I have joined 3, but these 12 and 13 has not started yet. But this 11 has started. And if we click on view, we can see details about this contest. And as you can see, it ends in 3 hours and 34 minutes. And here also you can see the awards. If you get the first place, you will get 3,000 USDT to trade with in this platform. Second place will give you 1,500, and third place will give you 500 USD to trade with. And here you can see the ranking as well. So there are some rules. You have to do 50 trades to be able to end the contest, so to say. And if you click here on trade, you will get into the trading platform as we saw in the margin. It looks the same, but it's in the contest. And it doesn't cost anything to join the contest, so it's free to participate in the contest. So as you can see here, I have 2 open trades at the moment in the contest, and you can see my balance here. I was actually up in $13,000 2 days ago, but then I got a bit sick and I didn't trade so much about it. So yeah, so you can see here I have an equity of 2,000. I will leave it as is. I don't know, I don't care. I will participate in the next competition as well and be more focused. So, but you have all the same assets here and you can trade them to participate in the contest. A nice thing to, yeah, if you want to say that you want to learn trading, you don't have so much experience, you can do it in the contest, and who knows, maybe you can come on place 1 to 3rd and you can earn some money to trade with. I think that's great. So let's go over to the copy trading as well. I will show you that, but I haven't participated in the copy trading yet, but it is as it sounds. So you can join different persons here. So you can see here, these are different persons and ratings. So we have on the first place, you have someone called To the Moon, and they have made a total profit of 3,593.19% in 156 days. And what you can do here, if you find someone that you like, you can follow them. So I wouldn't take maybe the best one. I don't know, you can take it. It's good performance, been active for a long time. Today he made some loss, but yeah, okay. I will follow him. So you will get some text here. I confirm, activate, and here you will put in the following amount, and you will pay some fee to that person as well. And you can also be, as you can see here, manager fee is how much this person will take from you on your profit, and the platform fee is also 20% then from the platform fee. But I think I have too little money at this point, so you just confirm that, and then you click follow when you have enough money on your account, and then you will follow all of his trade or these person's trades. You can also go to, you can actually be a manager as well in this platform, so you can set up and trade, and people can follow you as well in this. So it's good, it's really good. Okay, let's go over to the yield part. If I click on yield, this is a way to earn like interest on your cryptocurrencies. So if you have sitting and hold Ethereum, USDC or USDT, you can actually transfer them to this platform, and then you can put it in here in the yield, and you will get some interest on your cryptocurrencies. I mean, if you're only holding and you don't use your cryptocurrencies or trade your cryptocurrencies, why not put them in this yield in this platform and let them increase your portfolio. So here you can do an estimate of earnings. So if I choose Ethereum here, if I say that I will put in let's see, I will put in 10, and I will have it for 1 year, 365 days. You will see on the standard you will get 0.54%. So total you will earn $176. I mean, yeah, but by doing nothing, you just transfer your money and you put it here in the yield, and you will earn money. You will earn interest on your cryptocurrency. We can try another one. If you do USDT, you have a higher percentage. So if I put in like, let's say 1,000, you will get 1.37% on the standard, and you have advanced, premium and elite, and you can get up to 2.75%. So it's a good way to earn money on your cryptocurrencies instead of just having them in a digital wallet where it's stay the same. Here you will increase the amount of your Bitcoin or of your cryptocurrency. So I like this as well. One last thing that I want to show you is this analyst tool. This analyst tool is actually integrated with TradingView. So if you're familiar with TradingView, you can actually do your analysis here in this part, and you will have all the tools that you're familiar with in TradingView. You can move them on, you can do your lines, your Fibonacci, you can do long position, you can do whatever you want, as you can do in TradingView. So we have some resistance there, and, you know. So I like that. So I can do my analysis directly in this platform, but in TradingView, and then I can say, okay, I want to go in here. I go back to my margin or my contests, and I open the position there. Okay, that was a brief explanation of this platform, and to summarize, I really like this platform. It's easy to deposit, it's easy to open positions, it's fun with the contest, and you have the yield part as well. Just instead of just having your cryptocurrency in your digital wallet, put them over here and you can earn some interest on it. So a thumbs up for PrimeXBT. I will be using that. Thanks for this video.